Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Life on Vacation. Today I am going to explore a place called Savandurga. It's a 50 km far from Bangalore city. If you want to join my journey, please subscribe this channel and follow me on Instagram. Links are available in the below description box. So let's start. I have started at 4:30 am. According to Google Map, it should take 1.5 hours to reach Savandurga Hills. You are going to enjoy the ride or drive once you leave the Bangalore-Mysore highway. Roads are buttery smooth and lush green. Once you reach, you need to park your vehicle on sides of the road because there is no dedicated parking slots available. There is a narrow road which leads to you, the starting of the trek. If you are not able to find that, please ask to the local, they will guide you. This is the starting point of the trek. Track path has not defined, but there is a marking done by locals. Basically, there is an arrow mark, so you have to follow this. You can see how ascend it is. कैमरा में आपको पता नहीं लग रहा होगा, बट एग्जैक्टली ये 60 और 70 डिग्री के एंगल में होगा. Look at the view from halfway of the track. It's awesome, man. It's awesome. क्या नज़ारे! Fully lush green. Sun is about to come. There is a small pond on middle of the way. You can sit there and chill for a time. Passing through this narrow ways, I am able to reach on top of the hills. The view from the top is awesome. You can enjoy. Look at the view from the top. It's mind-blowing. It's awesome. It's worth to track this much. You can sit here and spend some time. You can enjoy the greenery surrounding it. The down path is the same, so I am not recording that. Now I am heading back to Bangalore. On the way there is a dam. I will show you. It's very good. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel. Or if you have any suggestions or a doubt, please ask me in the comment section below. See you soon in another video. Until then, peace.